Hi everyone, today we'll be folding a swan, or a duck, chicken thing, whatever. I think it looks like a swan, but you can call it whatever you want. And with that out of the way, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I made this model with a 6-inch of yellow paper. So let's start white side up first, and the first step is to value fold diagonally in half. Okay, now unfold, rotate, and repeat. Okay, now unfold, and we are going to make a rabbit ear. So take this edge and fold it to this crease. Now unfold and do the same over here. Alright, now for the rabbit ear we have to make both creases together, and let's flatten it to the left side. Alright, and repeat on the other side. Okay, and there is our fish base. Alright, so you may notice a few extra creases. That's because I messed up a little bit, but that's alright. So let's rotate it this way, and let's fold these flaps up and back down, and same on this one. And take this point and fold it to the center point. But don't fold all the way, just make a little pinch like that. And unfold, and let's take this point and fold it down to the pinch that we just made. Okay, and now we're gonna make another rabbit ear, so let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. And do the same on the other side. And now let's form both creases at the same time, and let's fold this up. And now what we're going to do is fold the whole model in half so that our rabbit ear sticks up like that. Okay, now we're going to round out this side. So let's open it up and let's make a pinch right here. There's no real reference point for it, just do it about there and not all the way to the center. And now crimp it, or pleat it, I guess, to the side like this, and then repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, now let's mount and fold this big flap in. Best way to do that is to turn it over and do a valley fold instead. So valley fold this in. Make sure that the crimps on either side stay crimps. So it looks like that. So now what we want to do is we just want to round out the sides. So let's just make a little mountain fold in here. And let's do the same over here. So it should look something like that. Alright, now what we want to do is open this flap, and first let's fold it down about this much, maybe a little less. Make sure that it lines up with the center line. Okay, and now let's valley fold up a tiny bit, also making sure it lines up nicely, like that, and close it up. Now, like before, we're going to make crimps on the head right here. So let's pinch it right here, again, not all the way, and let's valley fold it back a tiny bit. And do the same on this side, make sure it's symmetrical. So it looks like that. And then now this flap doesn't look the best, so let's unfold, and instead of a valley fold, let's make it a mountain fold. Like that. And, of course, repeat on the other side. Alright, and now let's curve out the head a little bit. So let's, don't really make a fold, but rather just curve it like this. Just to make everything nice and flowy. And then maybe bend the beak down a little bit. And this flap doesn't look the best, so let's reverse fold that inside. And let's fold these in just to make them look a little bit nicer. And let's curve the body. And wouldn't you know it, we are pretty much done. Alright, I hope you enjoyed folding that, and stick around for the next video. Bye!